In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background picture on a Weebly site. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to personalize your website in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Weebly's official site. Once you're there, locate the login button, usually at the top right corner of the page, and give it a click. If you don't already have a Weebly account, you'll need to create one, but for this tutorial we're assuming most of you will already be members. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Carefully type in your email and then click on that next button to proceed. After you've done that, the next page will ask for your password. Go ahead and type in your password, ensuring that it's correct, and then click login to access your Weebly dashboard. With access to your Weebly account, navigate to the overview section and from there click on edit site. That will take you into the Weebly editor where all the magic happens. In this editor, you'll want to move to the build tab. This is where you can manage and alter the design elements of your website. Once you are in the build section, find and click on your current background picture or any image that you wish to replace. This action will bring up a menu with various options, one of which is edit background. Click on that to proceed. Now you'll see an option to add image. Selecting this option will allow you to choose a new picture for your background. This can either be an image you've already uploaded to Weebly or something new from your computer. Select the image that best fits the new style you're aiming for. The next step is to click on select to confirm your choice. This secures your new image as the background. With your image selected, don't forget to hit save. This action will apply your chosen picture to the background of your site. We're almost done. The final step in this process is to click on publish. This will update your live site, reflecting the changes you've just made with your new background picture. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your Weebly site's background image. Remember, changing your background picture can greatly impact the look and feel of your site, so choosing